In this lecture, you're going to learn how to import photos from your camera or from a memory card that you've taken out of your camera, like an SD card. So I'm using my iMac and I've closed down Mac Photos to show you what happens when I plug in my SD card to my computer. Now I'm putting it directly into my iMac. If you don't have a slot, you can use a USB card reader. I just put in my SD card, which you can see it docked here, and automatically Mac Photos has popped open. And that will happen automatically when you are just starting out with Mac Photos and you put in any SD card. And I wanted to show you that because I want to show you how you can stop that from happening in case you get annoyed. Because some people like importing their photos onto their computer separately, onto a hard drive, external hard drive, and not into Mac Photos. And that option right here, if you don't want it to automatically import, is with this little checkbox right here. So uncheck that, open photos for this device. And in the future, when you plug in that SD card, it won't automatically open Mac Photos. Now, just like we saw before when we imported the photos in the last lecture, we have all the photos for review. And what we can do, and even some of my videos, we can just select them and then choose import the selected ones or import all new items. And you also have this option, delete items after import, which will delete the photos from your card, which is a neat, handy feature, but I prefer deleting photos from my card separately. You never know what's going to happen. You might want to, import them later, copy them somewhere else. I like formatting my cards separately via the camera and not through Mac Photos. So if I select, let's just say these 3 typewriter shots and then choose import, notice that I've just imported to the library and not to a specific folder. What happens is our library opens, and if I scroll down, I see these 3 photos right here that I just imported. You could also see the past import that I did right here. And this is just one of the ways that Mac Photos helps you organize your different imports by date. And again, in future lessons, we're going to go over how you view and organize, and you can filter your photos. But in the next lecture, I want to show you how you import photos via iCloud, which is great if you want to import directly from your iPhone or other Apple device.